here we are again. Oh, our alma maters.
Well, yours.
Yours too,
Half
kind
of mine. My favorite thing in the world is peanut butter.
Oh.
So we're gonna make peanut butter cookies.
Well, one of your
I
favorites.
have a lot of favorites, so one of them is peanut butter. So let's start with,
Half a cup of butter?
yeah, half
Okay.
a cup of butter. Boop. And then,
Sugar, peanuts, or butter?
I don't know.
Doesn't matter. Half a cup of peanut butter. Oh, and we're going to do shout outs. We keep not mentioning, but we really should because Costco is a beautiful thing. Just
Costco's
saying.
my favorite. Okay, once you cream the butter and the peanut butter, we're gonna add, oh yeah, I'll take that out of there.
Yes, please.
Made a mess.
Yeah.
Half a cup of white sugar,
Right,
and then half a cup of brown sugar.
right. And now, once again, if we weren't filming this, we would be kind of eating half of it.
I'll try it just to make sure. It's
Is
not
it
poisonous.
okay?
It's fine. I don't know what to do with this.
Put it in the sink.
It's got so much stuff on it.
Okay.
Okay, 1 egg.
Boom. Easy. This is such an easy recipe.
Yeah, this is super simple. It's so good.
Quick, a little bit of vanillas.
Oh yeah, half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay.
Okay. So then we have 1 1/4 cups of flour.
Shouldn't we mix
Half
that?
a, I'm just
Yeah.
gonna kind of pour it in.
Oh,
the bowl.
okay, that's
Half
fine.
a teaspoon of baking soda
Right.
and another half
Sifted
a
together.
Yeah,
Ah.
this is our way of doing it. Another half a teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay. Added a little
The
bit.
recipe does not call for salt, but we like salt. So put a pinch, always put a pinch of salt. Brings out the flavor. I'm pretty sure you told me last video to measure it. Don't just pour
No, I
it in.
poured it on the spoon. So you can see how much you're putting in. What else are we adding?
Half a cup of chocolate chips.
If you want.
We want.
We always want. Too much chocolate. Luch would probably say there's too much.
Never too much chocolate.
That's what I say.
That's
Okay.
not me.
I read that natural peanut butter, which is what we use, sometimes makes the cookies
A
crumbly.
little bit, yeah.
So if you have like the sugar oily, the old school peanut butter, apparently they work better. You do.
What do you mean? They're beautiful.
Okay. 350, 6 to 7 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're back.
We're back.
Are they ready? No. Taking out the cookies. Take 2. Because we made them extra big, they took a little bit longer than 6 to 7 minutes. That was about 10 minutes.
Okay.
each. So there you go.
Yummers.
Transfer to cooling rack.
Transfer to cookie. Transferring cookies.
And voila. Peanut butter.
Chocolate chip.
Cookies.
Yum.
A sad song